Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Yayibona lento yenu yenzenza ukuthi he alirati dilo bazalwane hore irang mpotse from a whole beautiful house in Sea Park ho ya go plekeng e bonang ke disebo e leng bosma R5 a sa boneng selo a bonang hore pleke ela ha se yona. From a whole Sea Park to I don't know what, simply because of people are getting new houses. Simply because people are getting new houses and Ugo wants a stand because of uma ngwabe une stand nomacele ukhuluma indaba ye stand ugirl naye muda bene stand. Why can't I ke speaking tunameleng mola lona le reng ka mamkhulu lona, like umamkhulu wenu, what's the problem? Couldn't she just be happy and say ngi happy ngise Park? Furthermore, ngumamkhulu labayana mabaphuma laphayana eMzumbe still kuzoba yimi umamkhulu. I will be running eMzumbe and my house will be intact because Usne is still staying in my house eMzumbe, and therefore everybody's enough. Or does Ugirl need to have 3 properties so bad that she is willing to take it? Like I architect bara ke kono bona hore metsi a tlo ema mola e pula ena kore like ha nna mpotse go iralang ka mamkhulu a lona hele le afetsa lebele re he aka se jealous o accept lo enzeni. Let girls sit down, allow the other wives to get their homes. Number 5 angene eMzumbe, and that's it. Wena uchile neSea Park yakho nendlu yakho le ihlala uSnake or kanjani guys?